For micro dispensing, there is one product line that is proven and trusted by manufacturers in semiconductor packaging, electronics assembly, medical device, and electromechanical assembly the world over. DL Technology, superior pumps and needles for the finer things in life.
Hi, welcome back. It's the Keith Bryant Show Part 2, and I'm here with Steve from McDermott, who are celebrating their 30th anniversary this year. So, Steve, tell us a little bit about the history and the background to start off with.
Well, thank you very much. Again, I'm Steve Arneson. Our company is ASC International, and we've been around since 1992, supplying 3D, AOI, and SPI solutions globally, and more than 2,000 customers worldwide. And we've just been continually improving upon our technologies over the years, and are happy to be here still after the difficult years with COVID.
Yeah. So I mean, there's no point asking how did COVID hit your business because it hit everybody the same. But did you get any benefit from it, do you think?
We actually did. As a smaller, more flexible company, we were able to provide much quicker delivery times on our products. So when we were hearing customers telling stories of 12, 14, 16 weeks out, we were still able to deliver product within 3 to 4 weeks. We are a U.S. Branded company, made in the USA, so most of our suppliers are local to us as well. So our ability to deliver goods allowed us to become more of a de facto. In many cases, we had the competition, so they would select our AOI products or SPI products without having to go through a long, drawn-out evaluation process.
So you were able to, let's say, leapfrog some of the bigger multinational guys just because you were more agile on your feet and you had a much more local supply chain, which is what all the big guys are now talking about doing, and you were there already. Huh?
Exactly. You know, and with 30 years of experience, we've already proven out our ability to support our customers over the long term. Unfortunately, with our marketing budgets, we don't have that reach-out ability to be seen all over. So even though ASC is a 30-year-old company and throughout thousands of customers worldwide, we're certainly not a company that you just automatically go to. So we have to compete against the largest companies in the world in order to secure that business. And we were very successful, and we continue to be. 2000 was difficult for us. 2020 was difficult. 2021 was much better for us, and now we're coming into 22, and we see that the roadmap looks very favorable as well for us again moving forward.
Yeah, which is good because I know a lot of the big players are still unable to offer anything apart from very long lead times. So, you know, you're still going to be able to make hay, and I guess it's the classic. The more you sell, the bigger your footprint becomes. The bigger your footprint becomes, the more people know about you.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've been able to leverage our experience in all those years developing products, continually improving our product line. We've become more of a niche company, to be perfectly honest with you. We've kept our products at a price point that's very affordable throughout the global segment of manufacturing. Most of our products are under the $50,000 price point. A lot are benchtop, SPI, but we do have some inline options now for SPI inline that are actually at $50,000 or less, which is really unheard of in this day and age in the market. Now, maybe with the inflation, we may have to start stretching a little bit higher to be able to maintain that support. But
yeah, that's a very aggressive price point for the whole marketplace, especially as you say for an inline system, which okay, the mom and pop shops can get away with a bench top, but once you start moving up a tier or two, then everybody says, all of my inspection stuff has got to be in line. So
true.
If you're moving in that direction, then you're definitely going the right way to start getting probably more multiple sales.
Absolutely, yeah. We have always been an economical solution provider. One of our highlighted products, probably our best seller actually, is what we call a dual mode platform. So this is mainly for offline use, but a lot of companies are, they're looking for an AOI or an SPI solution. Typically, they'll start out with an AOI to make sure they catch all the defects during that production process. We've been able to integrate AOI and SPI into one single platform and again at a price point that typically would be twice that price if you had to buy those two technologies separately. So we've kind of found a niche, if you want to call it that, and that's been our big advantage. You know, keeping customers able to buy multiple technologies when they truly probably couldn't afford even one of those. You know, in the higher end platforms that are out in the marketplace.
So the market over here is going for after pick and place AOI rather than SPI, you think?
I believe that most of our opportunities come in as AOI. There's still a good share that will come in for SPI, but yeah, in the Americas, I think they're still pushing for the control of the placement. And again, us as ASC, we are one of the few companies. So in 1992, we came out with our own line of SPI products, 3D SPI products. So that is who ASC really truly is. But throughout the years, we've had to develop and accommodate the AOI aspect and allow us to get back in those doors. And so, but again, with the combination of both products, we're able to now achieve our goals of being on global.
Yeah, no, with my consultant's hat on, I find that one a little bit interesting because, you know, we've been preaching to the world for a lot of years that, okay, depends on which expert you talk to, but somewhere between 50 and 70% of the faults are all coming off the printer. You know, and really, if you can stop it there, then you stop a lot of stuff getting to the end. But yeah, I find exactly the same thing when I talk to people. You know, they go for AOI after pick and place first before they think about SPI. But
I agree with you 100%. Yeah.
It's when someone asks you which one should I buy, it's a difficult question when the answer is both.
Right. And we always, again, until we started really introducing AOI platforms, we were always pushing heavily and providing all that backup detail on why SPI is so critical to get that process rolling in the right direction. Again, what you're doing with AOI is also important, very, very valuable to the end product. But if you don't fix it up front, you're just creating more issues and costs in the back end. So,
well, then I wish you good luck in selling more SPIs as we go forwards, and hopefully the people that are watching at home and listening to this today will realize that when you're looking at AOI, the solution is SPI and AOI at the end. So thank you very much for coming in and sharing, and hope you have a good show and a good year going forward.
Thank you so much.
This has been Keith Bryant from part 2 of the Keith Bryant Show, and we'll be back again after this ad break.